Question 583. The Los Angeles Dodgers signed Brock Ramon, a 17-year-old player, to a one-year contract worth $3 million. Because Ramon is a minor, he lacks the legal capacity to enter into a contract. Therefore, the contract is A. Void, B. Voidable, C. Valid, D. Unenforceable by either party. Correct answer is B. Since Ramon is a minor without the legal capacity to contract, the contract is voidable at the player's option and he does not have to play for the Dodgers if he chooses. However, the Dodgers are bound by the contract if Ramon decides to enforce it by playing and being paid according to its terms. Question 584. In order to avoid being taxed on income, a real estate investment trust, REIT, must distribute at least how much income to shareholders? A. 1. B. 0. 9. C. 0. 5. D. Such a distribution of income to be exempt from taxes is not permissible. Correct answer is B. Shares in a REIT must be transferable and held by a minimum of 100 persons. It is the individual shareholders of REITs who pay the taxes, at their own tax rates, on the dividends divided among them. Question 585. Under the concept of hypothecation, a borrower maintains his status as legal owner of the property and retains his right of possession, while the lender holds A. Naked title, B. Equitable title, C. Bare title, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. Bare title and naked title are the same terms as equitable title, meaning the lender has a security interest in the collateral property. That interest will become a legal title if the borrower defaults or will end when the loan is fully repaid. Question 586. Which of these provides a taxation benefit related to the ownership of income-generating real property? A. Interest deduction, B. Appreciation deduction, C. Treatment of capital gains, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. Note that the deduction of interest and favorable treatment of capital gains apply to all real properties, not just income-generating ones. Question 587. Escrow services are normally provided by title companies in A. Northern California, B. Southern California, C. Los Angeles County only, D. Title companies are not authorized to serve as escrow agents. Correct answer is A. In Northern California, title companies are generally the escrow agents. In Southern California, independent escrow agents normally close most transactions. Many institutional lenders have their own escrow departments. Question 588. Who is entitled to the commission when a property is not listed at the time of the offer and has been shown to a buyer by more than one broker? A. The broker who is the procuring cause, B. Whoever listed the property prior to the sale, C. No one, D. All brokers who showed the property. Correct answer is A. The agent who writes an accepted offer is known as its procuring cause. Question 589. Private property that has been confiscated by the government for non-payment of taxes can be sold at public auction by the county tax authorities. A. Upon public notification of the impending sale, B. Upon public notification of the impending sale and mailing the notice to the property owner in arrears, C. Without notice, D. After posting a "for sale" sign on the property. Correct answer is B. By law, the tax collector must complete both steps before the public sale: public notice, customarily done by publishing in the newspaper, and mailing the notice to the property owner who has failed to pay his taxes. Question 590. The safety clause in most exclusive listing agreements entitles the broker to a commission if the property is sold even after the listing term expires, provided the A. Broker used his best efforts to procure a buyer during the listing term, B. Broker had shown property to at least 5 potential buyers during the listing term, C. Broker had negotiated with the eventual purchaser during the listing term, D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. The purpose of this clause is to protect the broker from parties who try to avoid paying the commission by waiting for the listing term to expire and then making the purchase deal. Question 591. The following would be factors affecting economic obsolescence in a particular area, except A. Zoning changes, B. Oversupply of properties, C. Inadequate number of electrical outlets in a home, D. Recession. Correct answer is C. Loss of value from causes within the property involve functional obsolescence. The other answers relate to economic obsolescence, factors stemming from beyond the property. Question 592. One of the key elements of determining the value of a property is demand. But for demand to exist, it must be accompanied by A. Professional appraisal, B. Purchasing power, C. Financing, D. Staging. Correct answer is B. Demand is related to the number of those wanting the property. However, without the power to purchase a property, demand will have a weak effect on value. Question 593. Which of the following statements regarding an offer to purchase real property is correct? A. The offer must be in writing, but the acceptance does not. B. The acceptance must be in writing, but the offer does not. C. Neither the offer and acceptance need to be in writing, unless the property price exceeds $1 million. D. The offer and acceptance must both be in writing. Correct answer is D. The statute of frauds requires both offer and acceptance to be in writing. Question 594. An unlawful detainer action can be commenced by a landlord against a tenant when A. The tenant fails to leave upon the expiration of his lease, B. The property is sold, C. There is a month-to-month lease, and the tenant does not move out after a 30-day, 60-day or 90-day notice to quit, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Other times an unlawful detainer action can be started include when the tenant does not pay rent and fails to move out after receiving a 3-day notice, or the tenant similarly does not leave after getting a 3-day notice for committing an illegal act.